Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelechi Franklin, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you how you can be able to publish your journal on Amazon and make it to start ranking at the top. All you just need to do is to follow me through the process as I'm going to be showing you how to do that and get started. So in my last video I was able to show you how you can be able to design your ebook. If you remember how I showed you how to design or create your ebook on Canva and publish it, and how you can do your interior too and all of that with the right dimension and all of that. So right now it's now time for us to publish it and get it to start selling and start making money from it. So guys, follow me as I'm going to be showing you through all of those process. But before then, if you are just joining me from this channel for the first time, please do well to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification icon, and don't forget to give this a like so that more people can be able to see this video. So the very first thing we need to do is to go to Amazon and see how some other people have been able to publish their book and see how it is. Right now this is one of the journals in which you can be able to see in which people are publishing. There are others in which you can see also. When you go down, you will see other journals and books in which are also published on Amazon. All you just need to do is to see how it is being done, and you also model the same. Right now, if you look at this book right here, it says Tree of Life notebook, and this book is a hardcover, but we are not doing a hardcover, we are doing a normal paperback in which we'll also publish there. And as you can see here, this book has been rated over 2,614 rating, in which it has been selling for many years right now, and it's being sold for $8, $8.30 and all of that. So this is what we'll be doing right now. We are going to be uploading our book on Amazon right now and get it started. So the very first thing we need to do right now is to log in into our Amazon account. If you have not created an Amazon account, I will leave the link of the last video which I have done on how to create an Amazon account so that you can create your own and then get started. So if you've created your account, all you just need to do is to come to your home page, or you go to the bookshelf here, you will see your page to bring you to this very page where you have to now decide to create an account for yourself. So the first thing we need to do is to click on create. Once we click on create, it will load up. It will take us to the very next page where we will now have to select the kind of book we want to publish. Yes, we'll have to select the kind of book we want to publish. Right now, you'll see where they say Kindle publish, Kindle ebook publishing, paperback, hardcover, and series pages. So right now, we are going to be taking on the paperback. So we'll click on create a paperback. So once we click on create a paperback, it will bring us to this very next page where we will now have to start processing our book. Remember, we have created the interior, we have created the cover. All we just need to do right now is to create the to upload it. So the very first step we need to do is to select the language in which you are seeing right here. So I'm going to select the language, which is English, is already there. Now another thing is for us to put in a title of our book. So if your book have a name, all you just need to do is to give it a name so that you can be able to publish it, so that it will be visible to the people. So right now I'm going to give my book a name. This is the book I just want to upload, in which we created together. So the book here, I will just give it a name in order for me to publish it right now. So all I have to do right now is to give it a name. Now after putting in the book title, the very next thing you need to do is to put in the subtitle if you want. So normally I have to put in subtitle. This subtitle is just like a description, a short description of what your book is entail and all of that. So right here, I will just put in a subtitle in where I will just write in some stuff. So this is what I've written here. The subtitle, I said a cool start journal cover. Then I put in some little other description like telling them that the journal is 120 pages and the idea is ideal for mom, dad, kids, and for those who are style lovers or style design lovers. So when I've been able to put this will give some keywords to individuals who are looking for such books in order for them to start buying or looking for something like this. So this is what I just do. So the next thing I have to do after I have put in the title, the subtitle, which serves as a description somehow, then I'll now go down to the next thing. Here you will see series. You don't have any business here. You are not creating any series of stuff. The next thing you need to do is the kind of edition number. We are not doing. So the very next thing for you to do is for you to put in your author name. If when it comes to putting your author, it can be your brand name, it can be your name, it can be your pin name. So for you to do this, you can decide to use whatever name you want, but in order for you to use whatever tool you want, all you just need to do is to ensure that that name is not already being used on Amazon. So all you just need to do is to go back to Amazon in order for you to check whether that name is used. Like for me, if I want to check, I'll just type in KC and see whether the name is being used. As you can see here, you have a series of information here in which is showing what people are using. So what I have to do right now is to ensure that I use my own brand name, in which I will use right now. So I'm going to use something like KC. Sorry. So I'm going to use something like KC. Then I come here, I put in cool. Then I come here, I put in press. So it must be 3 names. I put KC cool press. So this is what I'm using right now. Your name must be 3. You must ensure that you put in these 3 informations in order for you to be able to publish your book. So assuming you have a contributor, someone who helped you to ensure that your book is being done effectively, you can be able to put in the author's name and all of that. So here I don't have any author or any contributor. Now when it comes to the description area, I've put in something together, and this is what I've written. I say a stamp themed blank line notebook, 120 pages, 6x9, which is perfect for mom, dad, grandma, grandpa, kids, and start collecting enthusiasts. So this is a brief description. The description must not be too large, it must not be too lengthy. Just straight to the point, tell people what they want to see, and your book will be out there. Okay, so the very next thing you need to do right now is to own your copywriting. Here they say I own the copywriting and I hold necessary publishing right. Yes, this is what you have to click here, and the other one here is saying this is a public domain work. This is when you're working for a site and all of that, but you're not working, you're working for yourself and all of that. Now when it comes to this keyword aspect, this is keyword aspect enables your book to be seen by a lot of people. In case you search it, what are those keywords that they will find in order to locate your book? Now this is what I do. A lot of people use BookBoat, and BookBoat has a keyword explorer in which allows you to be able to search your books and be able to get your book. So once you come to your BookBoat, that's why I say a lot of you who are getting started, you can use the free BookBoat, which is free trial for 3 days, in which allows you to use it and do whatever thing you want to do. Now once you are in the paid version, you can also use the free version for this. All you just need to do is come to this left hand corner here, just go down, you will see the keyword aspect here. You click on the keyword. Now in this keyword aspect, it's telling you to choose the keyword. So I'm going to be choosing a keyword here. So all I have to do is to choose a keyword. Right now I'm going to click in on journal planner. Now once I click on journal planner, I click on search. Once I click on search, look at what will appear right now. It's loading up. So once it's loaded up like this is what you see. All you just need to do is to look at the keywords that are related to your book. Now this is what is the first one here, 2020 journal, which is high in circulation, but I don't need this. You need to know the one you want to see, you want to have here. You see, you can see here, they say the competition is high, so this is a good search and all of that. So right now you also see another one, they say bullet planner for journal, business planner and all of that. So you can take in some keywords here in which you know that will be related to what you are doing. Now remember, we search for journal, okay, we start for planner or journal, sorry, we start for journal planner. So right now, instead of searching for journal planner, let me just click on journal and see the best search. Let me just look for journal. What I'm seeing there is not related to my book aspect, so let me just click on journal so that we will get what we are looking for. Right now, this is what you see in circulation right now and is high in demand. Just journal is a keyword. All you just need to do is to copy, you go back to your page, then you come here, you paste. Yeah, this will help you. The BookBoat will allow you to get all this. Then you come down here, you will see journal for journaling. Here is a good search. As you can see here, is high. So that's what I'll do right here. I'll copy those, all those ones that are high in demand and all of that, and then paste it. So guys, I selected a few words from the BookBoat and I come here And then when I put other alternative words which I know that people can be searching as a keywords, like as you can see here, I come here, I put buy stamps, journal, buy pop, mom, boy, girl, ransom. All these are alternative words in which people are searching. This one I say gift, present, birthday, Christmas. While the last one here I said love, children, office, and work. These are the different alternative keywords in which I know that people might be searching in order for them to get this kind of book or to use it for what they want to do. Now, once I'm done with that, the next thing I have to do is to come to category. When you see this category, so I'm going to choose a category right here, and what I'm going to choose here, I'm going to choose on non-fiction. Once I choose on non-fiction here, and I'll go down here, you'll see antiques and collectibles. So I'll click on antiques and collectibles, I'll click on general, then I'll go down. I know there is stamp, and I've seen stamp here, okay, see stamps here. I'll click on stamps. This is what I want to use for these two, so I'm going to use these two right here. So these are the two categories. Then when you come down here, you say, does your book classify as any of these type of book? Choose the category here. I'll click on low content book, example journals, notebook, planner. This is what it is. So right now, once I'm done with that, the next thing I have to do is to come down here and I click, does this book contain language situation under the age of 18? I'll click on no. It doesn't. Then I'll click on save and continue. It will continue, it will save up and then take me to the very next page where I have to now put other information. Now he's talking about ISBN number, how you do, you say low content book like notebook, blah blah blah. You can read to learn more. I like leave it like this it is and all of that. Unless you have the right, you have bought your own ISBN number. ISBN number are those numbers behind your book, in which can serve as a way to locate your book or get your book more faster. You can just leave it like that, they will put it for you. And when you come down here to the publishing date, you can leave it blank and all of that. You can just leave it blank. Once it goes live, it's live and all of that. Then when it comes to here, you will see where they ask ink and paper type. Look at it as black and white interior with paper, with white paper. It's okay like this. Then when you come down here, this is another area in which you need to take focus on. Here it's telling you the trim number, which is the 6 by 9 inches in which you did. Then there are other information. You can also select different size. If it's not 6 by 9 that you did here, you can open it and you see different trim size in which you can use, but we are using 6 by 9. That's what the kind of book we did. So when it comes to the bleed setting, it will go for the bleed. Yes, it has a bleed. This is what they mean. You know, when you open when you are creating, we created the ones that has a line from like this to here. This is what they call bleed. These lines are bleed. So it has a bleed. So I'll go back to my creation here. I'll leave it on matte. I'll leave it on this particular mat, and I'll not put it as glossary. Glossary is not clear when it's being printed, but this one is more sweet and fine when it has been printed. Now, the very next thing we need to do is to upload our manuscript. Our manuscript is the interior. The manuscript is the interior. All I have to do is to click on it, in order for me to put in my interior, and all I have to do is to go to my desktop where I have put it or kept it. So I'm uploading my interior right now. This is uploading. Once it's done, I will now move to the next one. So guys, as you can see here, my manuscript has been uploaded successfully and my cover has also been uploaded. All you just need to do, once you want to upload your cover, come to this second column here, not the first column, the second column, upload your ready-made cover, and then you now upload it. It will be successful. Then the very next thing you need to do is to come down here. Here you will see the next menu here that says book preview. Ensure that you preview here before you go to the next step. And as you can see, it's loading up to show us how our book and interior is, in order for us to now properly publish our book. Now it will take some time, to take some few minutes, depending on how fast the network is. All you just need to do is to be patient and see how your book is. If there is any error or any adjustment, it will indicate there for you to adjust it and all of that. So guys, once you preview your books, it will appear like this. The front and the cover, the front and the interior will appear like this. If there is any error, you will see it at the top here or here, where a box sign, a triangle sign will appear for you to adjust your book if there is any error. There is no error on this one. As you can see, all I have to do right now is to come down here and click on approve. Once I click on approve, it will load up and take me to the very next page where I have to complete my other information. So right now, all I have to do right now is to publish my book. And if you come down to this summary area, after you must have previewed your book, all you just need to do, as you can see here, my book has already been uploaded, and the next thing it will tell me here, I've previewed it, it's okay. What I have to do right now is to look at the money or the amount in which I have to list my book, and you can see the printing here will cost us $2.29. So all I have to do right now is to go ahead to start publishing. So all I have to do is to save up, all I have to do is to save. This is the cost, it will cost us that amount. So I'll go to the next page right now. As you can see right now, we are in the very next page where we need to complete the last detail. So right here, they're asking you, where do you want to sell your book? I'll leave it at this worldwide territories. I'll leave it at this worldwide. And you come down to the primary market, you have the option to choose any other market you want apart from Amazon. Leave it at amazon.com. And when you come down here, it's now asking you about how much do you want to sell your book. Remember, it will cost you $2.23 in order for the printing to be accomplished. So right now, I'm going to be listing this for $6.99. So once I put it on $6.99, you will see the other, you will see it will now calculate it for us in other currencies and all of that. So all I have to do right now is to ensure that I have done that. And I come down here, you see the information here. If it's your first time to publish your book, it will take you up to 72 hours for your book to be available on Amazon for purchase. So this is it here, It won't take me time because I've been publishing. It will just take me highest 24 hours and my book will be published and all of that. So once every information has been put into details, all you just need to do is to come down here, you click on Publish Paperback. And once you click on Publish Paperback, it will load up and it will tell you save, and the next minute it will now show you that your book will be live very soon, all of that. So once it brings you like this, all you just need to do is to go back. You don't have any business here, don't turn it to Kindle Publishing. As you can see here, the book is under review right now and we are waiting for it to be live and all of that. So this is it, guys. This is how you will upload your book on Amazon KDP and all of that. So your paperback, whenever you are doing low content book, this is how you can be able to publish it and then keep it live and you start making your money. The sweet part is that you can make a lot of sales and all of that. But have this in mind, it's not that when you start uploading this kind of book right now, you upload one, you're expecting to make millions of dollars like that. No, you need to keep on uploading different books in order for you to get what you are looking for. You don't know the one that will sell more than the other. So all you just need to do is to keep on publishing different content, different books, different designs, so that anyone that becomes the best selling in the market, you make money out of that particular one. So I'm not telling you that you should publish this one right now, that your book will be #1 or you start ranking or you start making the millions. No, you need to be consistent, publish different kinds of books, different kind of low content books and all of that. I'll be giving you more information or more content on how to publish different type of ebooks when it comes to Amazon. So stick to my various channel. All you just need to do right now, if you got value from this video, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and go to the comment section, type Amazon KDP. Let us create an algorithm and make this video to go a long way. As I see you on my next video, stay safe. Peace.